Welcome to Brain Vision.
Here we have the horizontal distance is d at an angle beta over here. The distance changes from r0 to r1, and this distance over here is delta r. The object is, or the helicopter is moving from point B0 to point B1. And the angle is, this is theta 1 and this is theta 0. So we have delta r squared equals, using the law of cosine, let's just find delta r is square root of r0 squared plus, this is r4 d4, and that's theta 4. So r4 squared, which is 3320 squared, minus 2 times 3000 times 3320 cosine of the angle. The angles are given, so the difference of the angle is what we have to take, which is 23.1 degree minus 20 degree. So solving for this, we get delta r equals 362.7 feet. Now average velocity is delta r over delta t equals 362.7 over 4 feet per second equals 90.675 feet per second. Now we have delta r cosine beta equals r4 cosine theta 4 minus r0 cosine theta 0. So from here we can find that beta, putting all those values in which we already know, beta will come out to be 49.7.